Hello there, I'm Chef Ty Target and welcome to an episode of Hey Chef, Eat This! And what I'm going to be eating today is some delicious Carolina Reapers, the world's hottest chilies. And this came from a viewer named Jared Lumpkin who left a comment saying, Hey Chef, eat this really hot stuff. And what I'm going to eat is some Carolina Reapers. As you can see right here, the Carolina Reapers are 1,500,000 skullball units. And did you know that ghost chili is actually 1,000,000 skullball units? And this is even hotter than ghost chili. As you can see in the back right here, you can see the level of heat. Carolina Reaper is a lot hotter than even habanero. Very delicious. So, I'm gonna get started. I have right here this bag of dried Carolina Reapers, and there are about 4 peppers. So I'm gonna go and eat all 4 of my peppers, just like this. And then I have my chilies right here. Oh, smell the aroma. It's absolutely delicious. Right, I'm gonna get started. Pepper 1. Pepper 2. Pepper 3. Pepper 4. That is delicious! Those are delicious! These chilies are so delicious. They're very hot. And also a little bit sweet too, which is very good. Is it hot in here, or is it just me?
I am Mr. Chili Man.
Hello, Mr. Chili Man.
The chilies are gonna burn you. The chilies are gonna burn you. Enjoy the burn.
My face is tingling. Oh. Well, I guess I didn't want to stay inside. Wow, my hands are actually buzzing, and my face is buzzing. Well, that was the Carolina Reaper chilies. Extremely spicy. But I didn't really keep it up very well. It all came right back out. That's a disappointment. Oh well, if you want to see more Hey Chef, Eat This, make sure to leave a comment down below saying, Hey Chef, eat this, and I will eat whatever you want me to eat for the next episode. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crazy Chef.